What's up with this? This is a nice early morning start in a fresh week. Cleaned out the shop this Saturday, ready for a new week. Getting this transporter down on the floor. It's a little different these 2 weeks, building some air setups, what I used to do back in the day, and I must say I'm really enjoying this. Also, the big projects are coming along really nice. Unfortunately, a little at this moment less than I planned in the weeks, because some jobs take more time than I wanted. So first a cup of coffee, next week a full week on the Mark III. So that means rear arches will be almost done then. So that will be a good episode. This week's about getting the transporter down on the floor. I hope you guys liked the last episode on the Seat Cupra. Enjoyed that one as well. So please let me know how things are going. I'll take a coffee and start working on the transporter. Alright, let's go. Let's see how this goes today. Getting the full air ride setup under it and putting this baby down to the floor. Big stuff always, the transporters, always heavier springs and everything, but it's worth it. Let's go. You don't see that much. This is the T32. A little easier, but on the other hand, everything is always pretty tight because it's bigger than a small car. Now onto the top mounts, get them then off, and then get the front struts ready. Claws, or is this just enough? Well, probably it looks like we can make it this way. Nah, I don't think they will fit. I think I need some bigger claws. Probably something like this. Yep. Okay, we need those. This is the cool part. We can always work with cool stuff. Building all these crazy cool things in cars. That's what I like to do. Another nice strut on it. Sorry people, just put it a little stud under it, just to get in this easier because they're so heavy. Well, that's how the fronts are in. Ready for the lines through the car and connect them. So we're now off to the rears. Okay, now we're cutting off both of the knuckles, just a couple millimeters, or all at the top. We cut off almost 40 millimeters just to fit the airbags on in a good position and to get the maximum drop. This way you can always refit the springs by not cutting everything, so there will be no issue, but it's just to get enough loads. You can always get more loads, cutting off more of the frame rails, but that's what we're going to do. We're going to just cut these two a little bit and then start from there. Let's get some sparks flying. So you can get it more straight because the grinder doesn't fit really well, so I just made it some holes with the grinder and then finished it up with a little saw. Better. I got that techno on my mind and I can't stop. I got that techno on my mind and I can't stop. I got that techno on my mind and I can't stop. I got that techno on my mind and I can't stop. I got that techno on my mind and I can't stop. And another project where the client brought his management system. So again, figuring out what's all in the boxes, what's all in there, and see how we can fix this to a nice solution. First up I'm going to do is getting all the systems worked out under the bench. So I'm going to measure how much room there is to play with and to figure out where to put the system. Okay, now we got a fresh start. Let's go on and see what there's to do. people stop doing stuff you don't know anything about. Nope. Okay, that one is not salted. Ooh, nice. Alrighty. That went easy enough. Made this quick little mount. Let's see if we can squeeze this in. New little rim. I will find out where that one went in a couple of minutes, but first I want to see if this fits. No way. Always something with this shit. Crap. I forgot the plug, and the plug is a little big and it won't fit. It's so nice now, but it won't fit because of the plug. It's too big. Crap that. Always something, I believe. Fucking hell. Good. I think I should make it longer and then it will fit. Oh, fuck. That's a shame. It should be longer. Should have been nice this way. I really like this position. It's not too high, so you can still use the vent a little. All nice black. But over here there's just not enough room to get this one in there. So, new version part 2. Yes, I like this. I really like this. It's really looking neat. And I think even when you sit in the car, in the van, oh yes, this will work out fine, just fine. Way to go. I can really easily touch the controller. Let's make them for airlift controllers as well. So it will be a universal setup. How crazy again. Check all the plastics for the compressor mounts. They should hold the compressor in place so it can bounce a little bit, so it's noise reduction. But yeah, if you turn them on so tight that you break them, that won't work, so the compressor makes a noise. Oh people, why? So straighten them out again, new bushings between, under good length, and we're back to business.
I got that techno on my mind and I can't stop. I got that techno on my mind and I can't stop. I got that techno on my mind and I can't stop. I got that techno on my mind and I can't stop. I got that techno on my mind and I can't stop.
We've installed the compressors under the fan, some nice Bilstein bags, and all the airlines are flowing nicely next to the chassis. Checked all the bags for leakings. Now ready to put it on the wheels. So we're almost ready. Putting some big boys on. It came in with small ones. And now it's ready for big ones. Big ones. Yes. Well, alrighty. Let's see how this is working out. So, what's up with this? It's been here for the whole night and everything is airtight. Nothing changed in the displays, all the pressures are still on, so we're good to go. Going to put it outside and get some nice shots for you guys. Oh yes, this turned out really good again. This is what we love to do. Building it non-standard.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Free my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. 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 I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time.